Good morning, my dear students. Today I am discussing about transportation in plants. What is transportation? Transportation means transfer of water and food materials from one place to another place in plants and also in animals. The next one, in this chapter we will discuss about some important topics. The first one, diffusion. Diffusion means it is movement of solute or solvent from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration. Again, it is very important. Diffusion means it is a movement of solute or solvent from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration. For example, when we place some scent bottle or doop stick at any one corner of our house, we will notice after some time the smell passes from that region to our entire part of the house. That is called diffusion. The next one, facilitated diffusion. This facilitated diffusion means it is the passive movement of molecules. That means it is selective process, that is the membrane allows only selective molecules and ions pass through it. That is, some membranes allow only some molecules to pass through it. Some pores are large, allow a variety of molecules to cross. ATP helps to this process. The purina are proteins that forms huge pores in the outer membrane of the plastids, mitochondria and some bacteria. Through these pores, the water molecules or solvent molecules passes inner side of the cell through a membrane. It is facilitated diffusion. The next one, water potential. Water potential means water molecules possess a kinetic energy. That means water molecules contain some type of energy. In liquids and gases forms, they are in random motion. They move one place to other place in liquid and gases also randomly. This kinetic energy per mole of water is called water potential. The energy present in the molecules of water and gas is called water potential. This water potential denoted by the Greek symbol psi psi. The water potential denoted by the Greek symbol psi. The water potential of pure water is always zero. Remember it. The water potential of pure water is always zero. All solutions have a lower water potential than pure water. That means solution means when water is added to the water we add something or sugar or salt, it is called solution. All solutions have lower water potential, then pure water. It is due to the lowering of a solute is called solute potential. When we added some solute, sugar or salt to the water concentration may be decreases. This is called solute potential. It always negative. Solute potential is always negative. If a pressure greater than atmospheric pressure is applied to water, a pressure greater than atmospheric pressure is applied to pure water, its water potential increases. Again, if a pressure greater than the atmospheric pressure is applied to pure water, its water potential increases. Hence, water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential. These two combinedly called water potential. The next one, osmosis. Osmosis is diffusion of water or solvent across a differentially or semi-permeable membrane from higher potential to lower potential. What is osmosis? It is diffusion of water or solvent across a differentially or semi-permeable membrane from higher potential to lower potential. It looks like diffusion. When we discussed it earlier, diffusion looks like osmosis, but in this osmosis, a membrane plays very important role. That is the difference between osmosis and diffusion. Here, osmosis means it is a diffusion of water or solvent across a differentially or semi-permeable membrane from higher potential to lower potential, that is high concentration to low concentration. Plasmolysis. The next one, plasmolysis. It is a withdrawal of plasma membrane. Withdrawal of plasma membrane from the cell wall when protoplasm shrinks. Observe that figure. In the sixth slide, it has a figure. What is plasmolysis? It is a withdrawal of plasma membrane from cell wall when protoplasm shrinks. In the cell, the cell contains cell wall, plasma membrane, protoplasm, nucleus, etc. From the cell wall, the protoplasm shrinks means it constructs. It wrinkled. It is separated from the cell wall and it reaches the center of the cell, that is shrinks. When it shrinks, it occurs when water moves out of the cell. When the water moves out of the cell, it occurs when cell placed in hypertonic solution. Remember, hypertonic solution, that is it has more water. That solution has more water. When we place this cell in hypertonic solution, the water moves out of the cytoplasm through osmosis process. Then the cell plasmolized. See the three figures from right to left. The first one turgid, the second one placid, the third one plasmolized. The first one turgid is in hypotonic solution, the second one isotonic solution. The third one, hypertonic solution. The hypertonic means that is more water. In that solution we placed a cell. The water from the hypertonic cell comes out. When the water comes out, the cell membrane, the plasma membrane shrinks. That the water comes out, the cell plasmalized. The last one, imbibition. Imbibition you have already observed number of times in our surroundings, but we don't know what is that. Imbibition means it is a special type of diffusion. Again diffusion comes. Diffusion means transfer of water molecules from high concentration to low concentration. This is also a type of diffusion that takes place when water is absorbed by solids or colloids. Colloids means it is some type of wood or anything, that is colloids. Imbibition means it is a special type of diffusion that takes place when water is absorbed by solids or colloids, causing an increase in volume or size. It is called imbibition. దీని తెలుగులో నిపానము అంటారు. నీటిని పీల్చుకోవడం అన్నమాట. మనం రోజు చూస్తుంటాం ఏంటంటే సీడ్స్ అంటే విత్తనాలు, అండ్ డ్రై వుడ్ బాగా ఎండిపోయిన పుచ్చిపోయిన కర్రలు అంటే కర్రలు. ఇవి విత్తనాలు కానీ నీటిలో మనం నానవేస్తే తెల్లవారితేపటికి ఉబ్బిపోతాయి, నీటిని పీల్చుకొని పెద్దగా అవుతాయి. దాన్నే ఇంబైబేషన్ అని అంటారు. అలాగే వుడ్, డ్రై వుడ్ బాగా ఎండిపోయిన తలుపులు కానీ కిటికీలు కానీ వర్షం పడిగా నీరు చేరితే లేదా తడి చేరితే అవి బిగుసుగా ఉంటాయి, తీసి ఓపెన్ అవ్వడానికి రావు. దాన్నే ఇంబైబేషన్ అని అంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.